start painting of Chinggis Khan. What he's thinking, all he wrote the novels and novels. And after that, I know about Chinggis Khan because I watched movie about him, The First Teacher. In that they want to teach the English people before English people are not so well educated, so he just wanted to teach to poor people, poor children, and he struggled so much. Before that, he also soldier. So after that, when he told that teacher, I just want to teach you, then all these people laugh on him, and they just think he's mad. All are laughing on him. But when he started then so many struggles for these people, and that time he fall in love with Janina, and she also had the, but his parents don't want to support for him. But he struggled so much. He found a just for a seat. There's a house, and they empty that house, and they collect all. Children and they just want to teach. But after that, one night came and they just want to, this is place for safe. This is for animals. You can't teach here. It's just they done so many struggles. We crossed rivers to students to teach because that house is on the top of mountain.